Well, I'm James MacTaggart. You could say I'm the master distiller, the distillery manager, and also the director responsible for production. Whisky is a very standard production method. You create a very good new spirit, but you've also got to have a very good wood policy. And quality has always been at the forefront of what we're doing in Arran. We run our spirit at 6 litres per minute, which is one of the slowest distillation runs in the whisky industry. The effect of that, you get more floral fruity notes because you're getting more copper contact, so you're pulling more of the sulphury notes out of the new spirit. I don't think the product is ever going to develop any further in taste. Apart from age, we'll gradually build up older stock. As I said already, stick to traditions, stick to what we've proved to be successful, and you never ever change that. The whisky producers in other areas of the world are producing, I'm quite sure, a very good product, but I still think that Scotch whisky is by far the best.